let's get you some of the highlights of what Prime Minister Modi said, sounding the poll bugle in Jammu and Kashmir. He launched a no-holds-barred attack on the Congress, NC and PDP, saying that three dynasts have sowed hatred to the people of Jammu and Kashmir for decades and deprived the youth of education and jobs.
साथियों, कुछ दिन पहले जब मैं जम्मू कश्मीर आया था तो कहा था कि जम्मू कश्मीर की बर्बादी के लिए तीन खानदान जिम्मेदार है और तब से दिल्ली से लेकर जम्मू कश्मीर तक ये लोग बौखलाए हुए हैं। इन तीन खानदानों को लगता है कि इन पर कोई कैसे सवाल उठा सकता है। इन तीन खानदानों को लगता है जैसे तैसे कुर्सी पर कब्जा जमाना और फिर आप सबको लूटना, ये इनका पैदाइशी हक है। साथियों, कश्मीरियत को सींचने में, उसको आगे बढ़ाने में हमारे कश्मीरी पंडितों की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रही है। लेकिन तीन खानदानों की खुदगर्ज सियासत ने कश्मीरी हिंदुओं को भी अपने घर से बेघर कर दिया। हमारे सिख परिवारों पर जुल्म हुए। ये तीन खानदान, उनके लोग यहां कश्मीरी हिंदुओं पर होने वाले, हमारे कश्मीरी सिख भाई बहनों पर होने वाले हर जुल्म के भागीदार बने रहे। कांग्रेस, एनसी, पीडीपी ने सिर पर सिर बंटवारा किया, लेकिन बीजेपी सबको जोड़ रही है। हम दिल और दिल्ली की दूरी मिटा रहे हैं। हमारी एक और पीढ़ी को, एक और नस्ल को इन तीन खानदानों के हाथों में तबाह नहीं होने दूंगा। इसलिए यहां अमन की बहाली के लिए मैं पूरी ईमानदारी से जुटा हूं। आज देखिए, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में स्कूल, कॉलेज आराम से चल रहे हैं। बच्चों के हाथ में पत्थर नहीं बल्कि पेन है, किताबें हैं, लैपटॉप है।
To get you more details on that big controversy, on a day when Prime Minister Modi also in Srinagar lashed out at the NC, the PDP as well as the Congress, saying that these families filled with dynasts have ruined Jammu and Kashmir and have ensured essentially that there is no development whatsoever. Remember, in some time from now, you'll also have Prime Minister Modi, in fact, speaking in Qatar as well. But let's play out for you what Home Minister Amit Shah had to say when he slammed the National Conference and Congress, saying they want to restore Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir.
जम्मू कश्मीर में कांग्रेस और एनसी फिर से अलग झंडा लाने वाले हैं। आप लाने दोगे? अरे जोर से बोलो, लाने दोगे? 370 एनसी और कांग्रेस फिर से लाना चाहते हैं, लाने दोगे? जोर से बोलो, लाने दोगे? कांग्रेस पार्टी और एनसी गुर्जर, बकरवाल, पहाड़ी, ओबीसी और दलित भाइयों का रिजर्वेशन छीनना चाहती है। आप छीनने दोगे क्या? जोर से बोलो, छीनने दोगे? अरे राहुल बाबा, मेरी बात कान खोल कर सुन लो। बाबा मनहास के मंदिर के सामने मैं बोलकर जाता हूं, जितना दम लगा दो, गुर्जर, बकरवाल, पहाड़ी और दलितों का रिजर्वेशन को हम हाथ नहीं लगाने देंगे।
Okay, let's bring in Mir Farid now. He's joining us live from Srinagar. Mir, I was asking you earlier if you could give us clarity on what exactly the NC and Congress manifesto say on the issue of Article 370 that's led to now Pakistan saying that Congress and NC are on the same page as us when it comes to Article 370.
Well, while they have forged this alliance in Jammu and Kashmir, but they have divergent views on these issues. Now, Congress has not touched 370. Congress says that whatever the Supreme Court, the final decision of the Supreme Court on the issue is acceptable, and in fact for the Congress this issue is closed. But as far as the National Conference is concerned, this forms the core agenda of their manifesto. They say that 370 is something that they'll work for, special status they'll work for, and they'll get it back. They'll fight for it. It may take time. Farooq Abdullah says it may take 100 years, but they'll continue the fight to bring back the special status, the dignity of the people. So there is absolutely no, they're divergent and they're poles apart as far as their ideology on this issue is concerned. But then again, we know that since it's election time, so these things obviously do not matter to the political parties. What matters is that how they come together and how beneficial it is for them as far as their electoral prospects are concerned. But as far as BJP is concerned, they've got a potent, this is very potent ammunition at the time of elections in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir, where on this issue, they're trying to now showcase the fact that Pakistan and Congress NC are on the same page. Yeah. Pakistan is backing this alliance of National Conference and the Congress, and this issue has now become a core issue as far as campaign in Jammu Kashmir is concerned. Amit Shah has tweeted on this. He's made his views public on X, and now the rank and file of BJP has taken it up in Jammu and Kashmir, and that too just before two very important phases of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections.
All right, and we'll track all those reactions. Thanks very much, Mayor, for joining us.